Monica,
Sid.
thank you
How
so
are
much.
you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm good too. Tell me, how can I help you? What can we help you with today?
So these days, not very confident about my double chin, my love handles, and that was the main reason of coming here and discussing it with you, so that we can take something further out of here.
Okay, have you done anything prior to this? Any
No.
other treatments that you've done for this?
Nothing yet. No.
Have you gained weight recently or
Since like 1 or 2 years.
okay? And any other underlying conditions, etc., that I should know about? Diabetes, hypertension, PCOD?
PCOD and hypothyroid.
Right. Okay. Gunika, let me tell you. First of all, I think both of us are clear on this. You want to go for something non-invasive. I'm correct?
Yeah, right.
Right. So when it comes to non-invasive treatments for fat reduction or tightening, we do something called as a HIFU treatment, which is basically a high intensity focused ultrasound treatment, right? So for you, we'll be targeting your double chin and your love handles. We usually do one session would be enough to show good results. In your case, we may need to repeat the session in about 9 months or 1 year or so. How the treatment works, it's basically a focused ultrasound wave which is being delivered to your deep tissues without affecting the superficial skin. So you won't see any effects on the skin, you won't see any burns, etc. And because the ultrasound is hitting directly the target layer, it basically raises the temperature and it leads to a injury, which helps to stimulate collagen production, collagen remodeling, which ultimately gives a tightening effect. Right, so this will help with the tightening and the lifting. Now comes the fat. So if there is additional fat that we also have to take care of, this we target with something called as a chemical lipolysis. So we do something called as Fatex, which is an injectable treatment, again injected locally into your problem areas. It will help to dissolve the fat cells, reduce the size, shrink the fat cells over time, which gives you a resulting fat loss also. So in your case, both the treatments combined, the fat dissolving injection along with the HIFU will give a good effect in terms of the fat loss plus tightening, lifting. That will give basically tone up the entire treatment area, right? Both these treatments are very safe. There's hardly any downtime associated with the HIFU. So let's start with the procedure.
Fine, now I think my all questions are answered, and let's start with the process. I'm hoping for the best.